cầm hình
and also I extend my heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency Shri Chandrasekhar after 29 years that the present Honorable Governor of Meghalaya is making this region of the state. They symbolize the centric mindset of the present Honorable Governor that reflects his deep sense of responsibility and the dedication on the state in general and farmers in particular. As the Governor of Meghalaya, his focus is on promoting the sustainable development, fostering the social harmony and enhancing the education, health and state infrastructure, thereby providing the engine of growth to the Meghalaya on the path of progress. I take this opportunity to welcome Shri Vijay Shankarji, Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, as the chief guest of this August ceremony. Further, under the dynamic leadership of Shri Timothy B. Shira, our Honorable Minister of Agriculture of the state of Meghalaya, has witnessed the rapid growth in the agriculture sector. Currently, the main agriculture development program of the Meghalaya government includes the CM Farm Plus program, which focuses on the highway income, and the Meghalaya State Organic Mission, which aims to increase the certified organic cultivation. Other key initiatives are the Meghalaya Agriculture Response Vehicle Scheme for the transport of food development for planting material, and several subsidy programs for the crops like Kyrdem and AGRI. These flagship program keep human of agriculture development in the state and the financially game changer for the farmers with a great pleasure. I welcome Shri Timothy B. Shira, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, as a guest of honor of this noble function. Shri Kamakya Pujaki Tasa, members of Parliament, Rajya Sabha is a respected political leader from the Assam, representing the government of India, a prominent voice for the justice and tribal welfare and the culture of the generation. He has been actively engaged in promoting the grassroots empowerment, rural upliftment, and the national faith opportunity.
kerja.
हमने रात को काम किया कोई 19 तारीख के रात के बेला उन्होंने दिखाई दिया ना 20 तारीख को
Jadi kena siswa pemandu. So, iya. Tiga jam nanti no deh manu ni. Oh, sesini link. Dora Institute Unyam Kids. So, kiri ke barat nama ni kiri, dah buat di. River Pai Jaya dah.
Unified vision to build a climate vision and sustainability infrastructure that
This
something as a reminder to need to start big adoption.
nah kali kawan ni deh.
And interactive workshop. Aligned with the AGRI policy to connect the region agriculture potential with national and the Asian market by enhancing the trade, innovation and investment. We are privileged to host for around 1,600 participants, including the farmers, scientists, appreciate innovation investor for the northeastern state, who will be actively participate in this session and the demonstration. This participation reflects the essence of reaching the last mile, ensuring that the benefits of the science, innovation and the policy truly reach the people who need them most. The fair showcases the 70 numbers of exhibition stalled by the ICR and the institution and the 10 numbers of the food stall has been encouragement and continued support made this atmosphere ignite the idea to strengthen cooperation and lay.
Now, we are honored to invite our distinguished guest of honor, Sri Timothy B. Shira, Honorable Minister and Farmers Welfare, Fisheries and Tourism Government of Meghalaya, to please kindly address the gathering. So please.